Namaste Mudra, eyes closed. Breathing normal, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One time Om chanting. Inhale. Now very gently open your eyes. Now raise your both hands up, inhale, and exhale. Look up. Just straight your hand, lift your back, lift your shoulder up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now open your both hands onto the side, shoulder level. Inhale, exhale. Now bend left side and straight your right hand up over the head. Look up. 5, normal breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale onto the right side. Straight your left hand up, look up. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now make finger lobe behind your back. Inhale. Exhale. Now bend front very slow. Touch your forehead down, hands up. 5, breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now put your both hands on your knee, back straight, and rotate your neck very gently. Just stretch your neck. While stretching, you can keep your eyes closed. Very gently stretch to the neck. Now same from the opposite side, opposite rotation. Now just relax your neck here. Now put your whole finger onto the shoulder, elbow close, and rotate your shoulder. Very gently stretch to your shoulder. Now same from the opposite side, opposite rotation. Yes, now open your both hands onto the side, inhale. Exhale, now turn left side and look back, back straight. Just stay here, both hands straight, shoulder same line. Look back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale on to the right side. Look back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now put your both hands behind your hip. Inhale. Exhale. Look up. Stay here. Shoulder down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now from here, open your both legs front. Just straight your leg. Now first bend your right leg and hold your foot. Keep your back straight. Now straight your right leg up. If you cannot hold your foot, you can hold your leg here. Try to straight leg. Push it up maximum. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale. Exhale. Both hands front. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now bend your right leg and put your left hand on your right knee, both palms together, look back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Now, from here, just bend your right knee down, straight your left leg, raise your both hands up. Inhale, lift your shoulder up, and with exhalation, bend front, go down, hold your foot and touch your leg. Keep breathing here. Straight your left leg, drop your left knee down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, then both hands down. Put your right hand behind your hip. Take inhale up and lift your hip up. Exhale, bend your back maximum. Just stay here. 5, 4, keep breathing. 3, straight your left leg. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now from here, open your left leg, left side. Open your both hands side, shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Straight hand over the head, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now, once more time, straight your leg, feet together, back straight, and bend your left leg. Again, hold your left foot back straight and straight your left leg up. Inhale. Exhale, try to push your leg maximum up. You can hold your ankle. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale, both hands front, back straight, straight your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, put your right hand on your left knee. Exhale, maximum twist and look back. Straight your right leg. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale, relax your head. Now from here again, bend your left knee down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, go lengthen, bend front, hold your right foot and go down. Try to touch the forehead onto the right leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very gently come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now both hands down. Put your left hand behind your hip. Inhale. Once more time. Lift your hip up. Exhale. Right hand up. Bend your back maximum. 5, 4. Keep breathing. Straight your right leg. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your hip down. Open your right leg, right side. Make sure straight your right leg and drop your right knee down. Open your hand, shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, hold your right foot and left hand up, straight over the head, look up. Keep breathing. 5, open your chest. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now from here, try to open your both legs maximum as much you can. Now here, open your both hands, shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, now bend left side and straight your right hand up, look up. 5, keep breathing. Open your leg as much you can. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale on to the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale, hands down. Now from here, try to drop your both elbow down. Keep your back straight. You can put your chin on your hand. Just stay in this position. Remember, straight your leg and drop your knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very gently come back, inhale and exhale. Hug your knee and relax. Just relax here. Now, just come back here, cross your leg. So this is our first